Looking into the art of manifestation can unlock a world where your deepest desires transition from mere thoughts to tangible realities. Today we start on a journey to explore how you can harness the power of your own intentions to manifest wealth, love, and career success. Through understanding and applying specific techniques, we'll uncover the secrets to attracting the life you've always dreamed of. Let's begin this transformative exploration together, equipping you with the tools to shape your future. Manifestation is about bringing tangible results into your life through thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. It's grounded in the principle that every individual has the ability to attract things into their life, whether it's financial prosperity, romantic connections, or professional achievements. This concept is closely linked with the law of attraction, which suggests that positive thoughts bring positive outcomes and vice versa. The first step in mastering manifestation is acknowledging and reshaping your mindset. It begins with believing you're worthy of success and understanding that your thoughts can shape your experiences and environment. Many people hold on to negative beliefs that they're undeserving of wealth or happiness, or that achieving them is inherently difficult. Changing these beliefs starts with recognizing negative patterns and actively working to replace them with positive affirmations and realistic goals. Visualization plays a crucial role here. It involves vividly imagining achieving your goals. For instance, if you aspire to accumulate wealth, picture yourself managing your finances with confidence or receiving a promotion. This practice not only enhances motivation, but also aligns your subconscious mind with your goals, making them feel achievable. When it comes to creating abundance in your financial life, the key is to cultivate a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. Start by defining what wealth means to you. Is it having a robust savings account, being debt-free, or perhaps owning luxurious items? Once you have a clear image, set precise financial targets and steps on how to achieve them. Regularly affirming your financial goals can reinforce your resolve to achieve them. Affirmations like, "I am fully capable of controlling my financial future," or "I am open to new avenues of income," can remodel your thoughts towards money and amplify your wealth manifesting energy. These affirmations keep your spirits high and prevent you from falling into the trap of doubt or negative thinking. Another effective technique is to maintain a gratitude journal where you note down even the smallest financial gains or savings. This doesn't just help in keeping a positive outlook, but it also draws more abundance into your life. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you possess, creating a magnet for more positive opportunities and financial gains. The process of manifesting wealth also involves practical financial planning. This can be budgeting, saving a portion of your income regularly, or investing wisely. These actions reinforce your intentions and make your financial goals a tangible reality. We'll explore how to apply these principles to manifest love and career success. Remember, the essence of manifestation lies in clarity, positivity, and action. By setting clear intentions and maintaining a positive outlook while aligning your actions with your goals, you are well on your way to turning your desires into reality. Through understanding and applying these fundamental concepts of manifestation, you're not just dreaming, you're doing. You're taking the necessary steps towards not only envisioning a life of abundance, love, and success, but also living it. Let's focus on an equally vital aspect of life, love. While many associate manifestation primarily with material success, the principles can be equally transformative when applied to personal relationships. By channeling your energy and intention, you can create a vibrant, loving environment that attracts the right relationships into your life. The journey to manifesting love begins with self-love and recognition of one's own value. It's crucial to cultivate a strong sense of self-appreciation and self-worth. This foundation of self-love not only makes you more attractive to others, but also helps you to recognize and attract healthy, supportive relationships. Acknowledging your own worth teaches you to expect emotional generosity, warmth, and respect from others, aligning you with people who mirror these qualities. Building emotional availability is the next step. You need to ensure you are open and ready to welcome love into your life. This can be challenging if past experiences have led you to build walls around your emotions. It's important to address these barriers, possibly through reflection or professional guidance, and work towards being open and vulnerable. Vulnerability, contrary to common misconceptions, is not a weakness but a strength that fosters genuine connections. In practical terms, manifesting love involves setting clear intentions about the type of relationship you desire. Visualize the dynamics of this relationship. How does it feel to be in a supportive and loving partnership? What qualities would your ideal partner have? Imagining these details will help you better understand what to look for and attract in a partner. Additionally, engaging in activities that align with your interests can help you meet like-minded individuals, whether through classes, social groups, or online platforms. Putting yourself out there is a proactive way to invite new relationships into your life. Shifting our focus to the professional sphere, career success is another area where manifestation can have a profound impact. As with wealth and love, manifesting career success starts with clarity. You must have a clear vision of your career goals. What achievements are you aiming for? What position do you see yourself in? Visualizing your career aspirations with clarity can energize your path towards achieving them. Next, professional networking and continuous skill enhancement are practical steps that align with your manifestation efforts. Networking can open doors to opportunities that might not be accessible through traditional paths. Attend industry conferences, participate in professional groups, and connect with mentors who can provide guidance and support. Every interaction is a potential link to a future opportunity, so treat them as integral components of your manifestation process. Enhancing your skills is equally important. In today's dynamic job market, staying updated with the latest trends and continuing education in your field can make a significant difference. Consider additional certifications, workshops, or advanced degrees that can elevate your professional profile. These efforts not only improve your expertise, but also signal to potential employers or collaborators that you are committed and proactive about your career. Incorporating manifestation practices into your daily routine can transform fleeting moments of inspiration into a sustained journey towards achieving your dreams. One of the most effective daily practices is the creation of a morning routine dedicated to manifestation. Begin each day with a few minutes of meditation or quiet reflection to clear your mind and focus your thoughts on your goals. This can help set the tone for a day filled with positive intentions. Following meditation, engage in visualization exercises. Spend time picturing yourself achieving your goals, whether it's walking into a romantic evening with a loved one, enjoying success at work, or experiencing financial stability. Visualization is powerful. By creating these vivid mental images, you're programming your subconscious to recognize and pursue these outcomes. Affirmations are another cornerstone of daily manifestation practices. Positive affirmations are short, powerful statements that, when spoken repeatedly, reinforce the belief in your own potential and capability. Start your day by affirming your goals aloud, such as, "I am worthy of profound love," "I am a magnet for success," or "I attract financial abundance effortlessly." These affirmations bolster your confidence and help maintain a high vibration throughout the day. A gratitude journal can dramatically shift your perspective, focusing your energy on abundance rather than lack. Each night, write down 3 things you were grateful for that day. This could be as simple as a productive work meeting, a kind gesture from a stranger, or the stability of your finances. Gratitude not only increases positivity, but also attracts more of what you appreciate into your life. While the path of manifestation can be incredibly rewarding, it is not without its challenges. Recognizing and overcoming these hurdles is crucial to your success in manifesting your desires. One common obstacle is skepticism, both from within and from others. Doubts may arise about the effectiveness of manifestation, especially if results aren't immediate. It's important to stay committed to your practices and remember that manifestation is a process that might require time to align with your desires fully. Stay the course and maintain your practices diligently. Impatience is another challenge many face. In our fast-paced world, we often expect quick results, but manifestation doesn't always work on our preferred timeline. It's essential to trust the process and understand that some goals take longer to manifest. During these times, maintain your focus and refresh your motivation by revisiting your goals and the reasons behind them. Setbacks are inevitable, whether they're minor delays or major obstacles. When faced with setbacks, return to your manifestation techniques. Meditate, visualize, affirm, and express gratitude. Each of these practices will realign your energy with the frequency of your desires. Continuing this journey requires perseverance, but remember, each step you take is a move towards realizing your dreams. The combination of clear intentions, daily practices, and resilience in the face of challenges creates a powerful formula for success in any area of your life. By understanding and applying these principles consistently, you are equipped to navigate through the challenges and enjoy the journey of manifestation. With each day, you are closer to transforming your dreams into your reality. Building on the foundation of basic manifestation practices, there are advanced techniques that can further enhance your ability to manifest your desires. One powerful method is the use of vision boards. A vision board is a physical or digital collage of images and words that represent your goals and dreams. By placing your vision board somewhere you can see it every day, you reinforce your desires and continuously remind yourself of what you are working towards. Another advanced technique involves deeper meditative practices. Meditation can transcend simple relaxation, serving as a profound tool for connecting with your inner desires and intentions. Guided meditations specifically designed for manifestation can help focus your energy and clarify your goals. These sessions often incorporate visualizing your goals as already achieved, which can intensify the feelings of success and the belief in your ability to manifest. Sustainability in manifestation requires a mindset geared toward continuous growth and adaptability. It's crucial to regularly revisit and refresh your goals. As you evolve, so too should your aspirations. This might mean setting higher financial targets, seeking deeper relationships, or aiming for further advancements in your career. By periodically reviewing your goals, you ensure they remain aligned with your current desires and circumstances, which is essential for sustained manifestation. Another vital strategy is to establish a routine that integrates manifestation practices into your daily life. Consistency is key in any practice, and manifestation is no exception. Make it a habit to start your day with meditation and affirmations, continue with visualization sessions, and end with gratitude journaling. Over time, these practices will not only become second nature, but also continue to fuel your manifestation efforts. Developing resilience is also integral to long-term success. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable, but how you respond to them can make all the difference. Rather than seeing obstacles as roadblocks, view them as opportunities to strengthen your resolve and refine your approach. Each challenge is a lesson that can help you fine-tune your manifestation strategies and develop deeper insights into the workings of the universe and your place within it. While you progress on your manifestation journey, it's natural for your goals to evolve. What seemed like a dream come true a year ago might now be your new normal, and it's time to aim higher. Embracing this evolution within your goals is crucial for personal growth and keeping your manifestation practice vibrant and effective. Continuously adding new goals keeps your practice exciting and dynamic, and it's like updating a map during a treasure hunt. As you discover new areas, you mark them and aim even higher. This not only keeps you motivated, but also ensures that your manifestation efforts. As your skills in manifestation improve, consider expanding the scope of your goals. Perhaps start aiming for goals that not only benefit you, but also have a positive impact on those around you. Central to long-term success in manifestation is cultivating a mindset that not only seeks to achieve, but also to sustain and expand. This mindset is characterized by an unwavering belief in possibility and an openness to receiving the abundance the universe has to offer. It means waking up each day with the conviction that you are a creator of your reality and that each day offers a fresh palette to paint your desires upon. To cultivate such a mindset, it's vital to immerse yourself in environments and activities that reinforce your goals. Surround yourself with positivity, whether it's through the people you choose to spend time with, the books you read, or the media you consume. Positive inputs help to fortify your belief system and shield it against the negativity that can often derail manifestation efforts. Practicing mindfulness is another crucial element. This involves being fully present in the moment and consciously aware of your thoughts and feelings. Mindfulness can help you catch and correct negative thoughts that may impede your manifestation process. By continually steering your focus back to positive and affirming thoughts, you reinforce the pathways in your brain that support your manifestation efforts. Adopting manifestation as a way of life means integrating these principles into every aspect of your daily routine. It's about making manifestation not something you do, but something you are. This integration transforms your practice from a series of isolated actions into a cohesive, seamless lifestyle, a lifestyle where every thought, every action, and every moment is an opportunity to manifest. One effective way to integrate manifestation into your life is by turning routine activities into rituals of intention. For example, as you prepare your morning coffee, use that time to set your intentions for the day. While you exercise, visualize your health goals being met with each movement. Turn these everyday moments into powerful mini-sessions of manifestation. Maintaining a success log can be highly beneficial. This log is not just a record of what you've achieved, but also how you've manifested those achievements. It serves as a concrete reminder of your power to manifest and helps you refine your techniques over time. Reviewing this log periodically can provide a significant morale boost and reinforce your commitment to your manifestation practice. While we conclude today's exploration into the powerful practice of manifestation, remember that each step on this journey enriches your life with purpose and possibility. By embracing the principles we've discussed, you are well on your way to transforming your dreams into your reality. If you found value in this video and want to continue learning and growing along your manifestation journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your engagement helps us create more content that inspires and empowers you. Together, let's keep the momentum going, turning every aspiration into achievement. Thank you for watching, and here's to manifesting a life filled with abundance and success.